Acer Swift 7. Unbiased review. The latest revision of the Acer Swift 7 is not only slimmer than its predecessor, but it also packs an Intel Core i7Y series processor, which should provide better performance and a multi-touch display. Let's find out in this detailed review the strengths and weaknesses of the latest Acer Swift 7 and how it fares against the competition. Case. The Swift 7 has an elegant and compact case that is made of aluminum. The device has a minimal design with only the Acer logo adorning the display lid. Unfortunately, the stylish matte black finish is a fingerprint magnet, which somewhat detracts from the otherwise premium design. Size comparison. The Swift 7 is just 8.98 mm thick, which makes it the thinnest device in its class. The Swift 7 weighs 1.2 kilograms, making it one of the lightest 14-inch laptops currently on the market. Connectivity. The Swift 7's thin profile makes it impossible to equip the device with conventional ports. The Swift 7 has two USB 3.1 Type-C ports like its predecessor, but Acer has moved these to the rear of the left-hand side to the right of the headphone jack. Communication. The Swift 7 can be connected to a wired internet connection, but you will need a USB Type-C to Ethernet adapter. Acer does not include one in the box. Security. We welcome the inclusion of a fingerprint sensor that supports Windows Hello, which is located to the left of the tab key. The fingerprint sensor is the only hardware security feature that Acer includes in the Swift 7. Accessories. The Swift 7 comes with a compact 45W USB Type-C charger, a USB Type-C hub and a matching black sleeve. Maintenance. The Swift 7 lacks a maintenance cover, but the degree of maintenance is limited by the device's fan-less design and that most of the components are soldered to the motherboard. The only components that could be swapped or upgraded are the battery, the SSD and the Wi-Fi module. Warranty. The Swift 7 comes with Acer's standard 24 months warranty. Keyboard. Acer has recessed the keyboard so that the keys are level with the palm rest. The keys measure 15 by 15 mm, which should be sufficiently sized for most users, while the white labeling is easy to read. Touchpad. The touchpad is sufficiently sized for multi-touch gestures and its finish is pleasantly smooth. Touchscreen. The touchscreen is a useful additional input method, albeit not a strictly necessary one, as the Swift 7 is a traditional laptop rather than a convertible. Display. The Swift 7 is equipped with a 14-inch IPS display with a 1920 by 1080 native resolution. Performance. Acer has made all the right choices when it comes to making the Swift 7 as portable as possible. The device is fan-less, thanks to its low-power Intel Core i7-7Y75 processor. This CPU will be powerful enough for most common office and multimedia programs, but you will have to make do with Intel HD Graphics 615 for graphics performance. Processor. Acer has included the low-power Core i7-7Y75 probably to fit with the Swift 7's compact design and intended use. The Core i7-7Y75 is a dual-core Y-series processor, which means that it has only a 4.5 WTDP and a 1.3 GHz base clock speed that can turbo boost up to 3.6 GHz when required. Storage devices. It is equipped with an SK Hynix 256GB NVMe SSD and offers the same volume of storage as its predecessor, which came with a slower SSD. Graphics card. The Swift 7 is equipped with the same Intel HD Graphics 615 GPU as its predecessor. However, the boost clock speed is slightly higher at 1050 MHz, which explains why the new Swift 7 scores higher in graphics benchmarks than its predecessor. Gaming performance. The Swift 7 is a sub-notebook designed for mobile use and not with gaming in mind. As such, while the Swift 7 can run some simple or older games, it cannot cope with more modern titles. Fan noise. The Swift 7 SF714 is a passively cooled device, so there is no fan noise. Speakers. There are two small speakers on the underside of the device. While the sound quality is impressive, the sound reproduction is significantly muffled when the device is placed on a soft surface. Battery performance. The Swift 7 has impressive battery life, underlining its use as a highly portable device. It lasted 19 hours 30 minutes idling, which dropped to a still impressive 7.5 hours in both our H.264 video loop battery test and our Wi-Fi battery test. It fully recharges in just over 2 hours. The CPU and GPU perform equally well on battery power as they do on mains power. Pros: incredibly thin and lightweight. Easy to carry around all day. Excellent battery life for size and weight. Bright, sharp screen with minimal bezels. Cons: webcam is placed low, in a nosecam position. Peculiar keyboard layout. For the price, a 4K screen would be nice. To check latest price on Amazon, click the link in description below. Thanks for watching.